Exactly 4 years ago today, I lifted my phone and posted my first video online. I still vividly remember nervously shaking in front of the camera for a good hour trying to record the first sentence and literally not being able to. And then this is the best I came up with.
I have no idea how to do an intro. I've spent the past hour trying to do one and I just can't do it. So this is my intro.
When I first uploaded that video, I shared it to my personal Facebook and then locked my phone and threw it at the end of the bed. It must have been about half an hour of staring at the ceiling, thinking of the worst case possible scenarios. It's going to be sent into group chats. Everyone's going to be laughing at me. What have I done? But to my surprise, when I lifted my phone half an hour later, there was about 30 people from my local area, friends and family, that had shared the video. And I still remember every single person that shared that video and sent me a message. It was like this massive sense of relief. And even better, people that I hadn't spoke to in years were messaging me saying fair play and actually saying that they took value from the video. And to me, this was absolutely incredible. I had sat in my room making a video and people had watched this and it was actually helping them. From that point on, I became absolutely obsessed with creating content, these videos on fat loss, fitness, relationship with food. It became literally my full life. And it's quite surreal to be sitting here now 4 years on from that one video that spiraled into 6 million followers, in-person coaching business, then an online coaching business, group coaching, now my own app, social circle, 4Recipe ebooks. All of this stemmed from that one video that I posted and the friends and family sharing it on Facebook and me thinking that this is the coolest thing ever, and then just showing up every single day and continuing to do the same thing and completely falling in love with the full process of content creation, helping people and building businesses. To see where it is today is just incredibly humbling. And I want to highlight as well that there's this narrative online at the minute that when you achieve any sort of success, everyone turns against you and no one wants to see you do well. But I couldn't disagree anymore. All of my support has come from my friends, my family, my followers. There hasn't been people that are out to get me just because I'm doing well, and the amount of messages that I get on a daily basis from complete strangers telling me how much my content has helped them is just unbelievable. I think that a lot of people sacrifice their morals, their ethics, and who they are as a person to achieve success, and then think that everyone hates them because they're successful, when in actual fact, a lot of people maybe dislike them because they've changed as a person. But if there's any young people watching this that want to be successful, you want to do social media, you want to do business, or literally anything in life, as long as you stay true to yourself as you grow, have morals, have ethics, and remain humble, no one's going to be out to get you, and in fact, people will be more than happy to see you win. So from me to you on a serious note, I honestly can't be any more grateful for everything that's happened over the past few years. I'm not sure why there is millions of people following this young monotone lad that makes videos in his parents' kitchen, but you seem to be enjoying it, so I'm going to continue to do it. That's enough with the soppy post for today. I will be back to talking about calories and air fryers tomorrow. See you then.